Hey you guys, I'm Adriana and welcome back to my channel Pretty Pheleace. Today I'm going to show you guys 5 easy summer hairstyles. I first like to start off by wetting my hair because it'll make it so much easier when styling. Next I'm going to go in with the Mint Almond Oil by My Yellow Organics, and I'm going to apply this all over my hair, making sure I get my ends because that is the driest part of my hair right now. So making sure I get those ends is important. And I'm just going to do the other side the exact same way. Okay, so for this first hairstyle, it is a bun hairstyle and it is super easy to do. Like, it doesn't take long at all. I love this hairstyle because it gets my hair out of my way, it's cute, and it's just convenient for this type of weather. So I'm going to apply this Twisting Souffle by My Yellow Organics. And I'm going to use that. I use that whenever I'm putting a twist anywhere. If I'm doing twist out or, doing this simple twist across my head, because it literally, while your hair is in that twist, it hydrates it and it gives it major shine and definition, and I love it. It makes your twists look so much prettier whenever you apply this product. Okay, next I'm going to apply this Honey and Ginger Styling Gel by My Yellow Organics. I love this gel because it doesn't make my hair flaky, it doesn't make it feel all cakey and hard, and I hate the feeling of my hair feeling hard. Like, I want to go hurry up and wash my hair. But this literally smooths out my hair, it holds it in place, and I don't have to worry about going to wash my hair the very next day. Like, I love this gel so much. So then you just put your hair into an easy bun, or you can rock it in a ponytail. Either way, it's just super cute and easy to do. So look number 2 is super cute as well. All I'm doing is I'm going to put 2 twists going down the side of my hair on each side, and then I'm going to put it in a bun. And I mean, that's simple, and my hair is going to look so cute. You'll see. Okay, so you want this bun to be smooth as well, so I'm going to add some more honey and ginger styling gel. And I have to hold my head down whenever I'm putting my hair up to get it super smooth and get it at the top of my head, because it is a workout. Like, yes, look at my muscles. Like, putting my hair up takes major strength. So next I'm going to apply this Rosemary Mint Edge Gel by My Yellow Organics. This edge gel has biotin in it, so it literally grows out your edges. So that's why mine are getting so long and getting harder and harder for me to control because both of the My Yellow Edge Gels grow out their edges, and mine have gotten so long. Okay, so for look number 3, we're going to keep the 2 twists on each side, and instead of 1 bun, we're going to make 2 cute space buns. Like, a lot of people love with my hair like this. They think I look like Mickey Mouse, and they think it's just so cute, and I think it's super cute as well. Okay, so for look number 4, I'm going to add some more gel, and I'm going to slick my hair all around my head, and I'm going to make this top bun, like at the very top of my head, as you can see. And then I'm just going to smooth it around because I want to make it a circular bun instead of like the other buns I've made. I want this to be in like a circle. People always think I have a sock in my hair, but this is literally how I do this bun, just like this. So go ahead and start shaping your bun. You can add bobby pins if you need to, but just make it look cute. And then next, add some charm. I love this. I found this at Ross, and I think it is so cute. So yeah, super cute. I love it. It just made the bun look that much cuter. Okay, so look number 2 is super easy and cute as well. I'm just going to part my hair down the middle into 2 lower ponytails. Okay, to make my ponytails super pretty and smooth and moisturized, I'm going to add this pomegranate and honey curl smoothie by My Yellow Organics. Like, it's going to make my hair smell so good, and it's going to It actually makes my ponytails a lot longer when I apply it because my hair likes to shrink up. So next, just add some cute little bobby pins. Like you can get the kind with the diamonds or whatever kind you prefer, and just fix them edges. And you can also put bobby pins on each side. I just like to do one side, but I love it. It's super cute and summery. Okay, you guys, those are my 5 easy summer hairstyles. If you would, go ahead and comment and tell me which one you like the best. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.